Hey guys, if you like to know how I achieve this makeup, this flawless makeup, just keep watching because I'm sure you're gonna love it. Very minimalistic but very glamorous. Nicely. I love the outcome. I love how it turns out. Yeah, if you like to see any look, just comment down below and I will be gladly to come back to you and do a tutorial for you. Yep. So I'm done for the last day of 2019. See you 2019. Yeah, last day of 2018. See you 2019. Whoop. I'm gonna go in with my primer. Revolution primer I use. It's almost finished. I'm looking for a lighter coverage. I'm gonna go in with my Revolution. No, it's a black opal makeup stick, foundation stick, and I want it really light. I'm looking for a lighter coverage. This is the face primer liquid. Looking for really lighter coverage, and this is it. Look at that. Put very little foundation on. And you can see how the eyeshadow is coming out now. And it's brighter and looking nicer now. I'm gonna use my Revolution fixing spray. I heart Revolution fixing spray. I've got two different colors. This is like normal one, and this one is got rose in it, so it's really good for your skin. So I use both. Just go in. Now the girl is almost popping. Yes, looking flawless and popping. Almost done. So this is the finished look. Haven't wear earrings yet. This is finished look. Guys, if you like to know how I got my wig, how I fix it, how I managed to let it blend in like this, like it's coming out of my scalp, you can hardly tell it's a wig. Am I right or wrong? Yeah, I think you can hardly tell it's a wig. If you like to know how I got it to blend in flawless like this, comment down below and I will do a tutorial on it. And this is the wig that I posted that I was dyeing, that I dyed with the Ghanaian hair dye. This is the wig. So this is the finished look. Hope you like it. Please like, subscribe and comment down below. So it's the finished look of the whole makeup. Just gonna put my earrings and necklaces on. The girl is looking flawless. Look at that. Today is the last day of 2018, and honestly, I'm just so happy for 2018 to be over, because 2018 hasn't been a good year to me. It has been pain, sorrow, sadness, you know, losing my mom. It has been hell. So I just can't wait for 2018 to be over and start a new year again. But most importantly, I thank God for looking after me and looking after my children and my siblings. We are all doing great, and no matter what may come our way, we still thank God for what He's doing in our life. That's the little bit that I want to say. So just hold on to your faith and believe that there's a better day ahead of you. No matter what you are going through right now, believe that there is a better day ahead of you. So cheer up. See you in 2019. Bye.